Within the vast expanse of the quantum energy field lies an infinite realm of possibilities. See, this field is not bound by time or space and is permeated by a universal intelligence that connects all beings. Each of us possesses a sixth sense, extending far beyond our physical senses, enabling us to tap into that quantum field and co-create our reality. Sadly, this profound knowledge is often overlooked, leaving many of us unaware of our inherent power, me included. You are here, though, a deep thinker, drawn to the understanding that lies within. Within you lies the ability to manifest wonders through focused energy. If you're new here, my name is Jure. I'm a meditation coach, and I help people take it to the next level. In this video, we will be exploring the limitless potential of your mind and its profound influence on shaping your experiences. So I will be drawing insights from two of my favorites, Dr. Bruce Lipton and Dr. Joe Dispenza. We'll delve into the realms of neuroscience, epigenetics, and quantum physics to help you understand how our thoughts, beliefs, and energy can manifest your deepest desires. Before we begin, I want you to grab my inner sanctuary meditation. It's right there in the description. I've pinned it to the comments. It's free. It's a guided meditation that I've used countless times to bring myself back to that centered, neutral space where we create. Let's begin with manifesting through thoughts and beliefs. See, scientific studies have demonstrated that thoughts and beliefs have the power to transmute energy into physical reality. As you tell a story about yourself based on your beliefs, you shine a light on a specific energy possibility in the quantum field. So bringing that belief to life is truly what you are doing. To illustrate this phenomenon, let me present a simple challenge. I want you to create an affirmation and impress it upon your mind consistently for the next 7 to 10 days. Observe the transformative power of your focused intent as you manifest your affirmation into your lived experience. It could be anything. Create an affirmation that isn't far-fetched. Don't let your affirmation be, I'm a millionaire. And then in 10 days from now, when that doesn't come to fruition, you're mad at yourself, and then deep, dark depression and that spiral down will happen. Instead, create something that is simple. Just simple. I am a joyful person. People love being in my presence. Try that out. That will truly change your life. Next, I would like to explain the interconnectedness of energy. See, all energy is connected, forming an expansive sea of vibrating consciousness. The communication between energy transcends time and space, defying our conventional understanding. Experiments have shown that DNA can respond to emotions and intentions regardless of physical distance. So this reinforces the understanding that our thoughts, beliefs, and feelings shape the reality that we experience. You are the creator of your own reality, continually shining your focused energy on possibilities that become your lived experiences. See, the subconscious mind plays a significant role in shaping our lives, with approximately 95% of our thoughts, decisions, and behaviors influenced by its programming. So by repeating thought patterns, we reinforce the subconscious beliefs that defines our reality. However, we possess the power to reprogram our subconscious mind through conscious awareness and intentional thought patterns. Creating new beliefs requires focused repetition and dedication as we replace old habits with new ones. paving the way for a transformative shift in our experiences. As we shine our new energetic light on our new reality, and as our new beliefs take root, our energetic focus illuminates a new reality. Initially, this light may be dim, but with time, you will begin to witness evidence of your new thoughts manifesting in your physical experience. And by consciously directing your energy towards positive thoughts and beliefs, you can shift your dominant experience and create a brighter, more fulfilling reality. Please remember this. Thought patterns are merely habits that can be changed through repetition and dedication. As a conscious being intricately connected to the infinite sea of possibilities, you hold the power to conceive and believe in the physical manifestation of your dreams, desires, and wishes. See, these possibilities already exist as waves in the quantum field, awaiting the illumination of your energetic focus to materialize into your lived experience. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and energy with the reality you desire, we unlock the boundless potential within. This is exactly why I've created my Inner Sanctuary Meditation for free for you to experience the inner field, the inner source. This is the real you. See, most of us, as Dr. Dispenza says, by the age of 30, 35, are just living a life of repetitive patterns, beliefs, thoughts that we've created at a young age and are now on autopilot. We can reprogram this. We can take it to the next level. From within is where we create. I invite you to let the wisdom of neuroscience, epigenetics, and the teachings of the greats, Dr. Bruce Lipton, Dr. Joe Dispenza, to name a few, guide you with dedication, intention, and a belief in the infinite possibilities. You can harness the profound energy within you to shape your experiences and manifest a reality beyond your wildest dreams. Embrace the potential that lies within and let your energetic light illuminate the path to a life filled with purpose, abundance, and joy. Thank you for watching, my friend. I will see you in the next video.